In this video, we'll be showing you how to install your Costa coffee enclosure. Begin by placing the wings, rear panel, front panel, and canopy off to the side. Stand up the first wing and bolt the rear panel to the side. Then stand up the second wing and bolt it to the rear panel. Next, install the canopy by bolting the 4 brackets to the wings. Make sure the canopy brackets are level with the wings to ensure proper canopy alignment. To install the front branding panel, place a bolt through the hole in the side of the panel and slide a nylon spacer over the bolt. Then secure the front panel using a nylon nut from the inside of the wing. Repeat this process for the other side and ensure the front panel can be lifted smoothly. Lastly, install the floor strap by bolting it to the wings, making sure the bottom of the floor strap is touching the floor. The typical install time for this Costa coffee enclosure is 15 minutes.